everyone, my name is Anurag Singh. Welcome to Pahuja Law Academy. And in this video हम लोग देखेंगे एक recent case law जो कि related है Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996 से. The name of case law is S.V. Samundram versus State of Karnataka. Right? Now, where an arbitral award is passed, there are two courses of actions possible. The winning party would like to have the enforcement of the award, but the losing party would like to have the award set aside. ठीक है? So after the arbitral award, one party is interested in the enforcement of the award and the other party is interested in the setting aside of the award. So set aside the award. Okay? So this is, the enforcement is covered under section 35 and 36, especially 36. Setting aside is under section 34. ठीक है? So हम लोग को यहाँ पर ये याद रखना है कि section 34 में there are certain grounds on which the arbitral award can be set aside. ठीक है? There are a total of 7 grounds. ठीक है? Now, what are these grounds? Let's discuss them briefly. Number 1, the first is if the party was under some kind of incapacity. Party under some incapacity. Okay. Number 2, if the arbitral agreement, the arbitration agreement is void. Okay. If the arbitration agreement is void, the arbitral award cannot be valid. Okay. Number 3 is it is upon a point not contemplated by the arbitration agreement. So the arbitral award is upon a point, upon a dispute which is not contemplated by the arbitration agreement. Then number 4 is it is against the principles of natural justice. So PONJ is principles of natural justice. And number 5 is there is a defect in the composition of the arbitral tribunal. Okay. Now these are 5. Number 6 is where the court finds that the arbitral award is, the issue is not arbitrable. Suppose कोई offense था जिसका कि arbitration हो गया, that is covered in this. And number 7 is the arbitral award is against the public policy of India. Against the public policy of India. ठीक है? So these are a total of 7 grounds upon which an arbitral award may be set aside. ठीक है? So in this case जो हम लोग केस देख रहे हैं एस वी समुद्रम वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ कर्नाटका का रिसेंट केस है, इसमें हम लोगों को देखना है कि ये जो नंबर 7 है अगेंस्ट द पब्लिक पॉलिसी ऑफ इंडिया, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू एक्चुअली मीन बाय कि एन आर्बिट्रल अवार्ड इज अगेंस्ट द पब्लिक पॉलिसी ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है? तो उसके लिए हम लोग को देखना होता है, जैसे कुछ एग्जांपल्स इसमें दिए गए थे. सो नंबर 1 ये हम लोग कर रहे हैं अगेंस्ट पब्लिक पॉलिसी. अगेंस्ट पब्लिक पॉलिसी. ठीक है? Number 1 is when the arbitral award violates a statutory provision of India. Violates a statutory provision of India. ठीक है? तो कोई अगर एक्ट हमारे यहाँ पास्ड है and the arbitral award is actually in violation of that act, तो उस that will be deemed as against the public policy of India. ठीक है? Second, the arbitral tribunal has failed to take a judicial approach. Arbitral tribunal failed to take a judicial approach. ठीक है? So यहाँ पर याद रखना कि what do you mean by a judicial approach? देखो, arbitration is basically an adjudication where the parties are referred to a private person for the resolution of the dispute. तो वहाँ पर हम लोग को ये देखना पड़ता है कि कई बार the arbitrator must take a judicial approach. That means he must hear both sides, he must listen to the arguments, he must appreciate and marshal the evidence that has been given by the parties. All of that must be taken care. That is called a judicial approach. So if the arbitral tribunal has failed to take a judicial approach, that will be deemed as it will be a ground for the setting aside of the arbitral award because it will be deemed as against public policy, right? अब यहाँ पर there are also other grounds like the arbitral award is unreasonable. Okay, unreasonable. Now this part can also be covered under the principles of natural justice. जैसे कि principle of natural justice में तीन चीजें आती हैं. You should hear both sides, and no one should be a judge in his or her own case. And then there's the third one is the award must be a reasoned award. ठीक है? तो अगर award ही unreasonable है, there is no reason, or it is so perverse, unreasonable or perverse. मतलब there has been no reasonable cause for the making of the arbitral award. So these are the grounds that were discussed in the SV Sundaram versus State of Karnataka case. और यहाँ पर हम लोग ये भी देखेंगे कि it is patently illegal. Number 4 is patently illegal. ठीक है? Patently illegal का मतलब an award which cannot be enforced, which is in direct contravention of the law. ठीक है? So इस केस लॉ में यही सारे जो पॉइंट्स हैं अगेंस्ट पब्लिक पॉलिसी, इसमें ये चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन की गई थी. थैंक यू एवरीवन.